But usually, what I do, like how I trade, is very simple. Like I think I have one of the most simple strategies ever. When I
Normally
like,
the best ones.
like it could take me three minutes to analyze. Like I don't go to the weekly whatever. 15-minute time frame. That's all I do.
Okay.
I look at the 50-minute supply, 50-minute demand. I wait for price to come in. I'll set my alerts, or I can play 1 minute continuations as well. But I just look. I get a 1 minute entry. That's it. No bias. I just trade towards. It's like you can call it support resistance, right? But it's supply demand more advanced. You have liquidity inducement.
Do you put any of the indicators on?
Nah, no.
No?
Indicators. I like naked charts,
Okay.
because I mean you could trade indicators, but it confuses me, especially on the lower time frame. It's very confusing. Higher time frame, obviously, it could work, but a lower time frame, like
There's a lot of noise in there.
it's a lot. 1 minute it could go like it could do everything, but it's very hard. But I keep my entries very simple. I don't like to trading should not be hard. It should be very simple. And once you have an edge over the market, you should just keep your edge, keep executing, and you're gonna win anyway. So
If you got you got your payout and your stop loss set up in a profitable technical way, it should take care of itself, shouldn't it?
yeah, it's like if you lose 10, it's gonna take maybe 20 more, and then you're profitable. So it's just time or trades that have to catch up, because like what I say is the reason why people collect data, or even why I collect data, is I don't like mathematics or data. I don't like it. It's very confusing. But if I know that data backs my strategy, I know I'm profitable, because data runs on everything. You have in Formula One, you even have data. People based off data, they get better drivers or whatever they want to do it. That, like, if my data tells me I'm profitable, I'm very happy.
Do you like watching markets just trade around as well for getting a feel for it, or?
Yeah, but I usually like what I do is I trade two pairs, right? I trade gold and euro. I don't like to look at more, because when I look at more pairs, I want to trade
Euro
it.
against what?
Dollar.
Okay.
Yeah, but when I look at more pairs, I want to trade it, because like there's always gonna be trades ready. Like if I trade 10 pairs, I would be taking 20 trades a day,
Yeah.
Because you're on the 50-minute trades are gonna set up very, very, very quick. Like for euro or gold, if it's like let's say London or New York, it takes a setup is very quick, and obviously some setups are not the best setups, or some setups are not correct setups. But when you're trading, you don't see that. Right, because you're in the most, like, it's like, for example, people that teach psychology, right? People ask me a lot about psychology. I'm telling them, like, I can tell you whatever you want. When you're trading, you're not, like, in your back of your mind, you don't listen to me, because you're fighting your own. It's you versus you, right?
Gremlin on your shoulder.
Yeah, you can say, like, you can try to listen to me how much as you want. Your mind is stronger than you itself, right? If my mind can control me, then who am I to control you? This is impossible. Like, I can't, like,
You don't know what each individual's drivers are, do you?
yeah, 100%. And especially when you need to make money, it's 10 times harder, even 100 times, because you need to make
It's
money.
totally different psychology, yeah. And you're scared of every losing tick, and
Yeah, especially when it's live funds. That's why prop firms are a very good thing. You have no risk, except for the challenge fee, but compared to the account size you're getting, it's literally nothing.
So you said you started off in crypto and you were using your own money. What introduced you to like simulated prop world?
So I got introduced into Forex by a friend in 2022 October, which is when crypto went to 15, 16K.
Yeah.
And I had no setups at all. I was trading futures, right? Because then I was I was making a little bit more money, so I could put money to futures. But I know, like, the market was not showing me any trades for 2 weeks. And my friend was like, there's Forex, a very good thing. It's very fast, 2-3 hours, and you can find 50, 60 pips. I was like, yeah, let me try it. And he was like, I was trying to deposit money into ISO market. He's like, bro, what are you doing?
Yeah.
There's something called prop firms. What are you doing? Like, what is that? So he explained the model. I'm like, are you sure this is real?
it's
I'm
scary,
getting
isn't it, when you
100K
first
for
hear it?
$400. Like $500. Are you serious? He's like, yeah, I'm very serious. So I started with 10K. I blow a few. Then actually, it was from October to December. I had no funding. Like, I blew all my fund. Like, I didn't have funding, but I blew all my challenges.
You've made that money before. You've lost it all. Have you got a backstop? Is your dad gonna give you more money, or you're now panicking that you're doing the wrong
No,
thing?
it's like I didn't spend much. Like, I only bought 10Ks.
Right.
I only bought 10K. So
sorry, you were buying 10K challenges.
yeah, it's like
Right,
only
so, yeah.
$100 per account.
Yeah,
Like, even if
cool.
you blow 10, it's 1K. I make 2K a month, right? Which I don't blow 10 in 1 month, but it was a span of 2 months. So I was chilling, right? There was nothing wrong with me, and I didn't also have the pressure, but I wanted to get things done quick. I already could trade. I knew how to trade on crypto, but Forex is a whole different thing. Like, sometimes it works, but for me it didn't work, because I was trading retail strategies. I was trading breakouts, and I was trying breakouts on a 50-minute. And I would get faked out so much.
Yeah, that's the problem.
It's
Yeah.
very much, and I was like, something's gotta change, and that's why I changed my strategy. Because what I like about my strategy is when I lose, there's always a reason why I lose. right? For example, let's say you trade breakout. What I think is when a breakout happens and it fakes you, you don't really know the reason, right? Obviously, there might be a resistance or something. But for me, when I trade my strategy, there's always a reason. There must be a supply zone, or there must be liquidity getting taken. There must be an inducement made. There's always a reason why I lose. And that's how I collect data, so I can look back and mitigate my losses to get a bigger win rate or a higher win rate, because that's essentially what you want to do.
So as well as the backtesting, you're journaling all this. So you
Yeah,
got a
100%.
record. Yeah.
People backtest, they don't journal, it's useless.
Yeah.
You don't know why you're losing. You like people journal, but they don't look back. You know, why would you not look back?
You just
You
write it down for
write
the
it
sake
and
of
you're
it.
done. You're acting like you journal. Yeah, you don't look back. Why are you losing? Yeah, I don't know. So you're making the same
So-
mistakes every time again.